When we hear the word success, most of us picture the same things: fame, money, recognition, a level of validation that proves we made it, that we're worthy. That's the definition the world gave us, the one that gets repeated so often we start chasing it before we even ask ourselves if it's what we want. But lately I've been examining this word and I realized that success isn't exactly what I thought it was. But luckily, I came across this book, The Creative Act by Rubin. And on page 219, he breaks it down clearly. He breaks down the definition of success, the true definition of success. So not the superficial definition we use in this society. And this explanation or definition really hit me hard. Basically what he's saying is, let me read it to you. Success is inner work. It has nothing to do with variables outside of yourself. To move forward is an aspect of success. It happens when we finish our work, share it, and begin something new. And that definition changed everything for me. Because suddenly I realized I'm not failing. I'm building. And I'm actually doing the thing, doing the work. Every time I uploaded a new video, I'm growing. And even when nobody watches, that is still success because I'm doing something for me, something that I'm passionate about. And I'm building skills. Even in the moments I felt scared, insecure, I was still building. Right now, success to me means moving forward. It means honoring the creative pull, trusting the process, trusting that my work eventually will be seen. And even if it doesn't, I'm still improving my skills and being a better version of myself. And keep creating whether the world claps for me or not. One thing that I learned over the past months is that, or years I should say, you need to clap for yourself. Of course, it's awesome to have people support you and following you and subscribing. In a way, we all want that. But the most important thing is that you clap for yourself. Because that makes you so independent. If you are depending on other people to praise you, to give you a sense of self-worth, this life is going to be very heavy. The thing is that people are so busy with their own life that they don't think about you as much as you think. So if you sit around and wait for other people to cheer for you, you might be waiting forever. So whenever you feel like you're failing, remember that it's all in the mind. The thing is, failure is not real. It's just a compass to show you the direction you need to move into. And even if you have nobody watching your videos, nobody clapping for you, nobody showing up at your show or whatever it is you're trying to do, realize that you're putting into yourself, you're investing into yourself and your own skills and becoming a better version of yourself. So if success is simply moving forward, what is the next small step you're willing to take? Anyway, that's a short video for the day. I hope you found value. If so, like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section and tell me, as I asked before, what is the smallest step you're willing to take in order to move you forward? Remember that whatever you assume is going to be your reality. So even right now, if it feels like nobody's watching you, the work you're putting in is not giving you any results, know that it takes time. Oftentimes, it takes years. And that's all okay, because you're using this time as a sort of an internship to better your skills and improve. Anyway, if you made it this far, thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.